Okay. It is that time again for me to attempt to code more. Let me just make sure this audio is working. Oh, it's definitely working. We're here. We're in. Um, okay. Where were we last time here? First of all, let me open this in a separate tab here. Let me do that. There we are. Okay, we're gonna mute that, and we're just gonna have that on the other screen there. And here we are. All right. Well, welcome back for everyone who's coming back. If you didn't see part one, I think it should still be up on my channel, so you can check that out there. But we're creating mini games, at least trying to code mini games here. So last time I think we finished. We'll take a little test drive here. Last time I think what happened was we got the teleporting down, we got the winning condition down. So I think we're doing pretty good there. So yeah, we'll teleport. Oh, the lobby spawns, right? Did I make it? I made it so it killed, I think. Yeah, okay. That's good for now. We'll make a more interesting teleport back, more fancy teleport back. So let's take a look and see what we got here. Internal minigame loop. I'm not gonna do anything there. Where's the end minigame? Oh, pick winner. Did I define pick winner up here? Yeah, I did. We have a winners table. Okay. All right. Return winners. Cool. So, okay, cool. That's muted. Listen to some music in the background, of course. What's coding without music, honestly? So I think tonight I should try and do probably award some coins. Good. We can do like leader stats and stuff. I mean, I gotta get a prize for winning, right? Oh no! You know what we need to do first? We need to do a status. We forgot about that. So what we can do is, if I remember correctly, is it replicated storage that you're able to access both server and client? I think so. So we're gonna insert a string value. Status, right? Status, great. Fantastic. So we can have a value in here, like hello, world, okay. Blah, okay. So we're gonna just go in here real quick. We're just gonna insert, well, first we're gonna start with the screen GUI. We're just throw a little text label in there, okay? And we're gonna have to resize this at some point. Okay, we'll just make that there. That actually really bugs me how it's not in the middle, but it is what it is, I suppose, for now. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. So we're gonna name this. Let's just call it game status. Okay. All right, screen GUI. Oops. Stop. Game status GUI. Do you guys say GUI or GUI? I used to say GUI a lot, but I've really been preferring GUI recently. So I should really name this script. I guess I'll name it status checker. No. Yes. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to listen for if this value changes here. So first let's do it. Local status is equal to game get service replicated storage. Wait for child. Status, right? I'm pretty sure it's still okay. So yeah, we got status. So now we got to listen. YX9. Sorry if I'm getting your name wrong, but welcome. Glad to have you here. Hope you're doing well tonight. What is this event? Roblox. Listen for string value change. Dot changed. Instance dot changed. That's all. Oh no, this is better, I think, actually. Except that it only fires when the given property changes. Okay, so we're definitely going to use this here. Okay. So we're going to do this. Local function. Actually, no. We're just going to do it all in one thing. So status get property change signal. We're going to connect. Actually, no, we'll just define a function. Local. Local function. All right, let me go back here. Can we talk on Discord, please? Not right now. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out the status thing currently. Okay. What's up, Daniel? Thanks for joining. Okay, I gotta focus here, sorry. Local function, update text, I guess. That's a very boring function name. Oh, did I still... Local function update text, and okay. Do you talk to yourself like this when you code at work? Yes, actually, I do. Well, okay. No, that's more like what goes on in my head, honestly. I don't usually talk unless I'm actually, like, talking, but yes, I definitely, this is my thought process here. Why is this here? Just stop. Okay. Update text, connect, we want to connect it to update text. Okay, but I don't think we need those there. Local function, update text. Okay, status, get property change signal. Is that actually it? Oh wait, I gotta throw this in here. Duh. Status. Okay. Oh, let me define game status. Local game status label equal to script dot parent. So game status label is equal to, oh wait, no, status, do I have to do status.value in here? Potentially. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's it there. Unchanged. Game status label is equal to, oh, sorry, dot text is equal to game, nope, sorry, it's game status dot value. Okay, so let's see. I think I can just test this without having to code the server-side event. So let's try it. Start GUI, game status. That's not where it's located. It's in here. Status. Hello world. I don't know if that actually worked. Oh, hello world is not a valid property name. Huh? Maybe I just have to do status. Maybe I don't do value. Why? No. Oh, okay. You know what? No, we'll try it. Let's see. Hopefully I don't break anything here. Instance is not a valid property. What am I trying to check for then? Hello? Get property change signal. What property? Isn't it value? Oh, no, I'm so dumb. Oh my gosh. Okay. We already are checking the status if it changes. We want to check to see if value gets changed. That should be it. I think. Okay, well that's actually not an error. So let's see. Yes, yes, yes. There we go. Okay, okay. Cool, cool, cool. I will say I have a newfound appreciation for Roblox Minigames. I'm glad you do. Glad you do. There's a lot that goes into it here. And this is just the beginning. There's like nothing going on right now. Okay. Except there's tons of people that can do this a lot faster than me, so I'm sure that people could already have something running. But yeah, so that's cool. So now we'll listen to see if status changes, which is sick. So let's now update the status. Okay. Status equal to game, get service, okay, storage, wait for child. I think it would be better to declare replicated storage first, but since I think I'm only going to be using it for this, actually, you know what? I'm going to save myself the trouble. Local replicated storage is equal to game, get service, replicated storage, and then we're just gonna say replicated storage, wait for child, status. So we got status, we're chilling. So instead of printing this out, we're gonna actually highlight the thing that needs to be deleted. Status dot value is equal to, okay, I don't need these, starting round, right? So if we test it, this should work. And it doesn't. Nice. It doesn't work. Oh wait, it does. Yeah, I just had to wait. Okay, cool. What's the environment we're using? It's not VS Code. It's actually Roblox Studio. It comes built in with Roblox, so it has like everything in it, so you can like edit, add stuff, and code. And so honestly, I'd almost prefer to use VS Code for this part, but it doesn't have like the built-in suggestions and stuff like that, so which is nice with this. Okay, so we did the status thing, right? Okay, well, let's do this. We're gonna do this. Intermission. Okay. Okay, starting round, blah, blah, blah. I should get the name of the minigames. Okay, so we'll do this. Minigame picked. And then we'll do a little concatenation here. Minigame, right? Is that what I call it? Yeah. Dot name. I think I can just do that. We added the space there, so that's cool. Interesting. We should make a Minecraft custom thing. What Minecraft custom thing? I don't want to work in Java. I don't like Java. Lua is just cooler, in my opinion. Okay. So we should do this. Status.value is equal to, oops. Got this whole thing here. Time left is equal to, not equal to, just concatenating that. Cool. Okay, minigame over. So we're going to do game over here. Game over. Very cool. Okay. In this video, we coded it so that everyone looks like Roblox characters. Actually, it would be super fun if we did that. Okay, so pick winners, right? Print winners. Ah, here's the problem. Here's the problem with Lua. It's just so difficult because I don't think I can just print it out. The winners were. I don't think I can just do winners here, but we're gonna try it. Winners were winners. Okay. Okay, let's try it. See what happens. Okay, so nothing broke so far. I gotta like enable this plugin because it keeps filling my output with errors. See, look at that. That's cool. It's got the time left. So let's see if it does a winners. It's probably not gonna work though. Game over. Cool. And it broke. Attempted to concatenate string with table. Yep. So that is not the script I wanted to go into. I gotta remember how to print out tables. Let's see. Oh. Unpack table? Let's try it. Can I do that? Unpack. That'd be kind of cool if I could do that. We're gonna try it. No guarantees if it works, but we're all about experimenting here. Okay, this thing really does bug me because I keep thinking my stuff breaks, but it's not breaking. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Game over. And it broke. Concatenate string with nil. Why is that nil? Why? I really... okay. Let's see here. Table for each. How did I do this before? Let's see. Print. Yeah. Table unpack. I don't think I can do that there. Can't table values. Oh, is it actually just table.concat? That might work too. The winners were table.concat winners, and we're gonna separate them by space. I think that might work. Let's take a peek, shall we? So it's weird how it doesn't start with the intermission thing. Also, definitely did not say starting a round, did it? I don't think it did. Or maybe I missed it. Let's just see if this works though. Intermission. It didn't even say who the winners were. Wait, hold on. Well, I guess I didn't wait, so that's probably why. The winners were... winners, let's just wait 2 here so we can actually see it and see what happens, because it didn't break, so that's always a good sign. Well, actually, that's not always a good sign. I take that back. Could just print something totally wrong. Okay, I'm about to disable that plugin because it is bugging me. Where's the plugins thing at? Oh yeah, manage plugins. Let's see. Did it print or did I miss it? Did I miss it? I wasn't even looking. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, we'll wait till it goes back. Okay. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Winners were nobody. Okay, something broke. And it printed a blank table. Did I already break winners? Oh wait, I never touched the winning thing. I forgot I made that win condition. So that's actually working as expected. So that's good. I'm gonna have to change this to not say label at the start. So if I touch this, then now I should be a winner. So now we're gonna wait 3 seconds and watch, it's gonna work. Amazing. That's amazing. Great. Oh my gosh, that's good. That's really good. Now, I don't know why it goes back to label at the start. Oh, because the text here just starts at label. So what if we just made it blank? We don't have to worry about that. That should be fine. Let's take a look in here. Well, it's never even going to say, no, it does say intermission, starting round. Oh, it's never going to say these because it just, there's no wait here. Because it's just going to instantly go to the next one. So we're just going to wait. Wait. Okay. That should actually work there. Alright, it's going to be blank for now. Which is fine. Starting round, minigame picked, green boy. That's amazing. Alright, we're looking really good right now, guys. We're looking really good. We're making some amazing progress here. Look at that. Look at this status thing. No one won? Well, I should make it. I should check if the table's empty, because then that'll mean there's no winners. That's something I should do. So, check if table is empty. So you can use next in the table. That's kind of cool. Yeah, so we're going to do this here. If winners, actually we got to wrap this because we're going to do if next winners is double equals to nil, because this is not JavaScript, no triple equals. Oh wait, there's also no brackets either. If next winner is equal to nil, then there's no winners. Okay, add an else here as well. So we're gonna change this here. Oh, nobody won. That's not one. Pretend you didn't see that. You guys did not see that. Okay, so now if no one touches that winning thing, we should be okay. So just gonna wait 10 seconds here. We should be good to go. I should really shorten it because now I have to keep waiting for it, but that's okay. Cool. All right, well that works. So now we can tell if people have won or if people have not won. So, okay, I don't know why I keep opening up the status checker because that's just, all that's doing is listening. See what happens there. So that's really cool. So far the logic isn't too convoluted. It's pretty easy to understand here. So I guess the next thing we can work on is awarding coins. And we should have like a game description too. That would be kind of nice. Let's go. Where are my mini games at? They're obviously in server storage, right? We're gonna add a string value here. Name this description. Did I spell description right? Description. I'm pretty sure I did. Run to the end to win. Okay. So minigame picked. So here's what we should do here. Okay. Probably should air check. I love how I left that comment, because will I do that now? No, I will not be doing that now. Okay, teleport players. That's fine. We want it to be after they teleport. So we're gonna say no. We'll wait 3 seconds again. Status set values equal to. Actually, let's grab the description. Local description is equal to minigame. Wait for child. You know, it's really interesting that this doesn't seem to be. Doesn't seem to care about caps in here, because I could use that. I'm pretty sure it starts with a capital in the docs. Wait for child. Description. Okay. So now it'll just be description dot value here, I think. So let's try it. What kind? Wish I could learn some scripts. Thank you for joining Estrizon. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. But yeah, man, I mean, come join us, watch along, and maybe you can learn a few things here. I'm not like a super good programmer. I really just started with Lua relatively recently. I guess I shouldn't say that. I did Lua about 2 years ago for a bit. So I'm just trying to learn. So if you want to learn along with me, feel free. But these are just, I don't really have a theme for the minigames at this point. Yeah, but that thing worked, so that's cool. We have a description for a minigame. Okay, should I really start tackling? Alright, let's look up these leader stat things. Roblox leader stats. So let's see how we make this in-game leader stats here. Okay, server script storage. No, server script service. Yeah, we'll make that. Script leaderboard. So we're going to start by assigning people coins here with their leader stats. So where's the player setup? So we should actually add leaderboard setup here. Okay, it would be nice to do it in there, so let's do this. Yeah, so we're gonna make a module script actually. Leaderboard handler, I guess is what we'll call it. We're gonna call it here leaderboard handler. A little bit of a longer name, but it is what it is. Okay, so we're gonna do leaderboard handler dot init leader stats. Stats, not state. Okay, I actually really hate that function name. So leaderboard handler dot set up leaderboard. That's just better. That's just better. Border, not. Oh wait, is it? No, it's not a colon. Oh, here we go again. What is the? Let me just look this up. Roblox module scripts. Code samples. Okay, so you just gotta throw the old function thing in front of here. Okay, so we're gonna be taking in a player. It's one of the parameters, because we're gonna get that player from when the player gets added. Has a full-time development job, and I'm not a super good programmer. Here's the thing, Daniel. Here's the thing. All right, so I usually do JavaScript, right? That's my I guess specialty. But Lua is just, it's a whole different animal, you know? It's just different. I wouldn't say I'm like a bad programmer, but it just takes time to learn new things. And so just because I know one language does not mean I'm going to know them all. Lua works a lot differently. I mean, first of all, it doesn't even have curly braces. That's one big difference. And second, there's just so much. Also, second, here, let me tell you, here's what bugs me. Arrays start at 1 in Lua. Why? Why? Lua is the only language I know that starts at 1. Okay. Anyways, let's actually code. Since a new folder. So here's what we're going to do. Here's our goal right here. So we're initializing the leaderboard in the player. And so what we're going to do is we're going to import this module script into this player, player setup. And we're going to call this, and it's going to initialize the leaderboard. So we're going to create a folder, and it has to have the name leader stats, if I remember correctly. I mean, I am kind of looking at the documentation on my other screen, so. And then we're going to parent it to the player. And that's it. So all we got to do is we're going to import this, which is, how do I import require? Okay. Player setup. Actually, I'm going to do module script first. It's equal to require here, right? How did I import it in here? Yeah, require. I guess I'll make that a lowercase l for continuity's sake. Script dot parent dot leaderboard handler. Okay. So players dot player added connect function player. So we can actually, I think we can do it here. Leaderboard handler, set up leaderboard. So now, okay, well, how do I name? Oh, adding stats. Here we go. Okay, we're not done with this yet. Hold on, we're not done with this yet. What the heck? 1, so like you can't have an empty array? No, you can have an empty array. There's actually not even really arrays in Lua. It's all table based. So it's just 1 is the first index. You can have an empty array. It's just an empty table per se. So a table would kind of, if I am saying this correctly, a table would be, or array would be like 2, 3, like that. And then to get, actually, let's just say the first value is 4 for this, so it's not confusing. If I want to get the first value, I'd be like table at 1. So yeah, you can have an empty array. As you saw, if you're watching a little bit earlier, you can have an empty array in here. So I call this function here, pick winners. So then this checks if it's empty, basically. So yeah, you can have empty arrays. They just start at 1 for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, anyways, we weren't done with this yet. Okay, we're gonna call it local coins equal to instance dot new int value, because we're using numbers here. So coins dot names equal to coins Very weird still. Yes, it is extremely weird. Don't even get me started on it. Actually, I already ranted about it like 5 minutes ago, so I probably shouldn't keep ranting about it. Coins.parent. Alright, we're throwing these in the leader stats folder here. So hopefully we don't break everything, and hopefully this works. Let's see. I don't think that worked. Yeah. Instance expected got table. Invalid argument. What? Oh, wait, did I not pass in? Hold on, I think I forgot to pass in something here. Yeah, I did. Player. Okay. And I think this is how you call the value here. Maybe it is a dot. It might be a dot. So let's try the dot. Look, there it is. Isn't that so cool? Look at that. That's cool, guys. And that's cool. Nothing feels better than when your code actually works. Let me tell you, that was a good feeling. So we got coins, right? That's very cool. We got coins, but now we got to add to the coins. So here's what we're going to do here. We go back into our pick winner function here, right? So their winner. So we're going to insert them in the winners table, and then now here's what we're going to do. Oh, well, here's a problem. Why did I call this character? Wouldn't this be player? Active players. Oh, no, it is a character. So I got to do get player from character. So I have to do... Oh, I have to do this. Equal to players. Yep. Get player from character. And then we have to do, okay, local leader stats. That's their folder with all their stats. It's equal to player dot leader stats. Very cool. So now we're doing another one. I'm defining a lot of variables here, maybe too many. Coins is equal to, this is very interesting what they do in the wiki here. Leader stats and leader stats find first child. So I think that has to be true. Yeah, so this is just checking to make sure that this actually exists. Because if it didn't exist, bad things will happen. So if coins, then coins dot value is equal to coins dot value plus, it's award 10 coins, right? 10 coins. Okay. Let's see if this works. It's obviously not going to work if we leave because there's no data persistence, so it's not going to work once this game. It'll reset my coins every time. Run to the end to win. Okay. Three, two, one. Look at that. There you go. You see that? 10 extra coins. Awesome. All right. So that works now. So we're able to award coins. That's super easy. We got the basic minigame thing going on here. we got the status going on. We probably do need to error check, but I'm gonna avoid that like as much as I possibly can because it's my least favorite thing to do. So, what do we have to do next here? Let me open up the old Trello board here. Where are you at, Trello? I know you guys can't see it, but this is a nice. So, add minigame status bar. Okay, I'm gonna make a category called done. Win-lose conditions. Okay, status bar is definitely done. Declare winners. We kind of have a timer, but I should make like a separate timer. That's definitely there. So, we should probably make another mini game here because it's going to keep being the same one. So, just build a quick little mini game here. Nothing too special here, right? We're just gonna, make this like very cool looking platform. Not really, it's pretty lame if you ask me. We're gonna make it actually perfectly even because it's gonna bug me if it's not. And why are you not resizing? Hello? 51, 50. There we go. So it's like a perfect square, Call it, I don't know what we should call this. I have to make the spawns as well. This probably also is not anchored, so let's fix that. What was I gonna call? What did I call these in here? Just spawns, I think, or did I call them actual spawns? Yeah, I just call them spawns. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's good. We're gonna name this spawn here. Spawn. Yep, very cool, right? Got our spawns. Got a couple more. Okay. Just all around the map. Very cool. Okay, so that just does not look right at all. It bugs me out. It's not all evenly aligned, but you know what? That's okay. So we're gonna group these. They added a new cursor for that. It's kind of interesting. We're gonna name them spawns because this is where the players are gonna spawn. And this needs some sort of color because that is a very boring color. Okay, I actually just choose one of these colors. Did my last one is green, so I guess we'll do blue. This one I kind of want to be like a sword game, That'd be kind of cool, right? A little battle royale here. Sword thing. We'll just call it sword fight. Come on. We can be as boring as we want. That's okay. Minigames, sword fights. Okay. Cool. So let's just make sure it works with 2 and actually pick something that's not not the green boy one. Uh-oh, something happened. Oh no, it didn't. Okay, so that one was picked. Cool. Alright. Let's see. Let me make sure it doesn't give me 10 coins here because I actually did not test that. So we're going to test that there, alright? So no coins, that's good. So green boy was picked again, which is fine. But I'm really hoping that this blue one gets picked here, please. Please pick this blue one. Don't you dare pick the same one again. Why? Why won't you pick the other one? Huh? Pretty sure my logic picks randomly. Maybe it might not go. Okay, let's see. Just please pick it, alright? Hear me out. You pick the blue one, and everything will be good. Or else I'm gonna see. Okay, then awesome. Let's see if it spawns me over there. I spelled fight with a capital I, and I broke something. Oh, I don't have the description in there. Okay. So first of all, this is wrong. We're gonna add a nice little description in here, right? String value. Oops. Description. Fight to the death. Okay. So that should work now. So here's what we're also going to do. We're going to make a new folder called tools, because some minigames may require some tools, right? Maybe we want a little sword or something. So right now I'm not going to make a tool. I'm just going to actually use the default Roblox one because I'm lazy. No, we don't want you in starter pack. Okay, really you have to be locked. Okay, that's fine. What's up, Disney dude? Thanks for joining. Good to have you here. So classic sword, very cool, and tools. Yep, awesome. So let's just copy this script into the other one, even though we probably won't use any of it. Okay, actually we will use this. So we'll actually keep, that's actually such a good setup. I'm gonna keep that. I really should just make it its own function at this point. So we have player.character, right? So how do we insert tools again? I forget. Insert tools. No, okay, I don't want to, how do you get the script to put tools? Yeah, okay. Folders, user pack, blah, blah, blah. So, starter player, no, so it's starter pack, right? So I just make that the parent, that should be it. Okay. So local, should I redefine the sword? No. Okay, we're gonna do it up here because I don't need to redefine this variable every time. Game, get service. What service is in replicated, right? No, server storage, server storage. Wait for child sword, right? Is that all it's called? Classic sword. Ugh. I mean, I could rename it, but we're already in here, so. Classic sword with capital S there in the middle. So here's what we're gonna do. Local player sword is equal to sword clone. We're gonna clone that sword. Okay. And player sword dot parent is equal to player. Can I just do starter pack? Let's see, starter pack. Let's see if we can do that. Now the problem is once the minigame ends, it's obviously not going to clear it out of their starter pack. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for this. Oh, you know what? It's C. Okay. Let me just not put that in the minigames folder for now, because that one is just kind of pointless. We're working on a different one here. Okay, so now once this loads, we'll be picked with the sword fight one. Okay, fight to the death. So if something actually really went wrong. Time limit. Oh, I didn't have time limit. Infinite yield on server storage, wait for child. Oh, because it's under the tools folder. Okay. Yep, okay. So we're just going to copy the same time limit into here. Okay, we're just gonna make it a lot shorter. We're also gotta fix this because it's server storage. Wait for child. Let's do this. Let's wait for the tools folder. And we'll just do that. So now this should hopefully work here. Oh man. Alright, sword fight was picked. Very good. Fight to the death. Something definitely broke, but the timer works. Starter pack is not a valid members of player. Okay, so how do we do starter pack again? Let's see. Why is there a website called Southland Barbecue Catering that has a Roblox article on it? Who knows? Wait, that's exactly what I want here. Is it really starter gear? This was 4 years ago, right? Oh, let's do this. I think we can find it out ourselves. We're resourceful, right? Right? Players, dhluigi. It really is starter gear. Okay, so okay. Now hopefully this should work. I'm really hoping so. Okay. Mini pick, sword fight, fight to the death. Something definitely broke because I don't have the sword yet. What broke? Does it not give it to me? Oh. Okay. This plugin's gotta stop. I'm gonna disable that plugin. I might have to re-X out of it, but now. Okay. So let's see. Player.starter gear, right? Oh. Could do backpack actually. I think. Try backpack. I think starter gear is gonna do something else. Maybe. I'm actually making that up. I don't even know. Okay, why did I make my output so big? Okay. Minigame pick. Sword fight. Oh, look. See, there it is. We have a sword. Awesome. Okay. Now, here's the problem, right? Here's the problem. Well, if it kills me, I was going to probably remove it anyways because it's only my backpack, right? Yeah. Okay. I guess that works for now. But really, we should do a tool cleanup thing. Especially if they're... Well, if they win, then... Well, here's the thing. I don't need the pick winners thing because it should just be who's ever left. For the obby, I needed it because whoever was left was not necessarily the winner. See, I'm gonna have to add another condition here. But what I can do is just make this true. Because I think once I reset it, it's going to disappear. But the problem is too, on the other one, I don't think it removes it. Do I destroy it in my main script? All right, so we're going to purposely reset here and see if this works. It's kind of a temporary workaround, but well, I'm dead, so okay, nobody won. Yep, that's fine. Okay, starting round. Sword fight, fight to the death. Yep. So now I should theoretically win here. Okay, that's good. Let me make sure I remove that actually. So if there's winner, Okay, we insert thumbs, so now we want to destroy that is winner. Oh wait, sorry. Character dot is winner. Is winner. Equal to. Oh no, not equal to. Destroy. Okay. So now it should take it out if we win, theoretically. So we're gonna just do this and see in here that I'm an active players and I should have is winner. Yep, I have is winner in there. So now it should be gone. All right. Awesome. So that works. That's good. It's kind of a temporary workaround though, because I really should make different winning functions based on the minigame, because there should be multiple ways to win. So I guess I could make like a case switch statement, but it doesn't have a switch statement, so, or it makes something along the lines of that. So cool, it gives everyone a sword, you know, we can all have at it, so that's good. So here's what we're gonna do, is we're gonna throw this back in the minigames folder. So we're at a really good spot actually, because everything's working now. We're able to teleport, go back to the lobby, you know. We get coins for winning. That's great. How do I want to expand this here a little bit? Probably want to refactor my code a little bit, which is I'll probably do off camera because that can be kind of boring. Hello, Luminous Apollo. Thank you for joining. Appreciate it. Let me throw the old Trello board over here. Hello, Trello. Okay. So yeah, that's cool. We got the different mini games. We have winners. I think it's 10 coins. That's cool. Would be cool to initialize a timer like they did in that one tutorial. So really, we're not at a bad spot here. We have the obby. We have the sword fight one. We're actually at a really good spot. So let's make a quick other one. Oh, but I'm gonna need it like debris cleanup here too. I have to add that to that too, because if I just do the rocket launcher, right? The problem is if they shoot a rocket, it's not gonna just despawn it. So let me add that to the Trello board here. I gotta come up with a list of minigame ideas, so if anyone has any minigame ideas, that would be fantastic. So debris cleanup, tool cleanup, refactor code. Oh, you know what else I have to do too? Is save data. That's another one too. I think we'll do that next time. Save data. Probably need to do some error checking, of course. There's probably a lot that could go wrong there. Because there's certain things that could happen, like not a lot of spawns. Probably should add a shop at some point too. A shop would be really cool. So yeah. All right. Well, I think we're actually just gonna end it there. I feel like I'm at a good stopping point. I got some good things up in the backlog I'll work on next time. Either saving data or doing like a cleanup service type of thing, because I do need that. The shop would be cool to make too. I'll probably make a shop as well. Don't know what else I would sell in it, but we can come with that. But if you guys got any minigame ideas, let me know. I'm all ears, and I can try and make those. Should try and make some tools too at some point. That'd be kind of cool. Make some custom tools or something like that. Who knows? All right. Well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day / night, and I'll see you guys